it's me hajra.vadhariya and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm here with a new video from my top most favorite series. Yeah, okay, so today, as you can see by the title already, we are talking about setting sprays. I'm a kind of person who really believes, very firmly believe in setting sprays. I can't really skip setting spray. A lot of people out there really ask me, why do you even need setting spray? So I do think it's very necessary. It actually brings all the products on your face together, melts it and sets it and locks it into place. बहुत सारे लोगों को इसका use समझ नहीं आता है, but I cannot go without it, and I totally firmly believe on it, and I do think that all of us need a good setting spray. So today I am going to be sharing my top most favorite setting sprays, and I hope this video will be helpful for you guys and you guys will enjoy it. If you are a true makeup freak like me, then you will love all of these videos that I'm making of the top most favorite series, because I'm a kind of person who loves makeup so much, and so I love watching such videos that other YouTubers make, so I really wanted to do it. So I hope you guys are liking it and enjoying it. So with all that being said, and without wasting any more time, let's just jump right into this video. Let's have a look on all of my top most favorite setting sprays. Let's go. I hope I look good. Like, this is not bad. Ooh. So the first product that I want to talk about is, I do think is a legendary product, and so many people love it, and this has been a very long favorite of mine. I have been using it since past 4 years, and since the day I got it, I'm still buying it and I cannot do without it. So this is the very famous Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Excuse my bottle. You guys must be knowing by now that I'm a dirty AF girl, but whatever. So this is my Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Hey you guys, I love this. I cannot work without this. Oily skin, check. Dry skin, check. Combination skin, check. All skin types, check. Alien skin, check. All skin types. This is amazing. It melts in, locks in, and it will give you the longest flawless wear of your foundation. You need this. If you have not tried this, do try it. This comes in different versions, but this is the version that I use, Urban Decay All-Nighter, and it says makeup setting spray, long lasting, oil free, so it's really good for all skin types because it's oil free. I love it. Okay, so the next one we have in row is the one that I'm using since the day I got it, but I won't say that I'm using it for a long time, because I got it recently, like a year ago. So this is the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray. Now this is a 3-in-1. It is a priming spray, a setting spray, a refreshing spray. I must say it's bomb.com. It is silicone free, alcohol free, and oil free, so again goes for all skin types. I absolutely love it, and it comes in a small size if you want to try in case, but I'm sure you'll love it. This is so good to prep, but I won't say that I prep using this all the time. I mostly use it to set my face really well, and also to refresh. So this, I know, is expensive, but it's worth your money, and also the fact that it works amazing and is so good. So if you guys are confused with the refresh bar, let me tell you that once you're done with your makeup and then you go to the event and you feel that you need to refresh it, just spray and it will bring all that glow and all that glow, and it will just give you a boost to your face, and it will make you look stunning, and it will actually refresh up your entire base. You don't need to pack on powders to make your to freshen up your base. You just need this guy and you look stunning. I've literally tried it and I love it. मैंने अपनी भाई की शादी में ये try किया था, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत जल्दी मेकअप कर लिया था और फिर मेरा hair हुआ and I got ready and everything. So जब मैं अपने event पे पहुंची, तो I took this with me and I sprayed it on my face, and then literally had to spray it on so many others' faces, because I was like in the moment, like wow, my skin looks so good, like right after the spray. So I love it. Let's move on to the next. So if you really want a dupe for the hangover one, and if you think it's expensive, here is the fix for you. Okay, so this is the ALEZEM Beauty All Day FIXY Spray. I love this product so very much, and this is exact dupe for the hangover one. It does all the same jobs. You can use it to prep. I love to use this to prep, and I use it quite often. Also, it's used to fix your makeup. It's even used between makeup if you think that everything is super matte and you want to bring everything together, melt it together, get that glow and hydration back to your face. I love to use this throughout the makeup, and then also to refresh, as I explained for the hangover one. If you want to refresh your base after like a few hours or even 1 hour, you just want all that glow and hydration back, you need this. So this actually performs 4 jobs really good, and I love this product. It's super affordable, easily available, and you also can use my discount code, which is HV10 right here, and you can get an extra 10% discount on your entire order. Anything you're buying from ALEZEM Beauty, you can use my code. So this is amazing. I absolutely love this product, and I highly recommend it. It's a perfect dupe for the hangover one. So if you don't want to invest so much on that, please get your hands on this guy. This is so good, and this is literally my second bottle. You can see I'm like halfway done with my second bottle as well. I absolutely love it. So the next we have in row is another one, Makeup Forever. I'm so sorry, इसका cap नहीं है, मुझसे खो गया है, and the bottle looks super dirty. So ये है बहुत ही professional use के लिए, मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है और मैं clients में बहुत ज़्यादा use करती हूँ. So this is an amazing fixing spray, and if you're a professional makeup artist, I do think Makeup Forever is a brand which is so good for professionals, and this spray is so good. I love to use it on my clients. Why only for professional use? Now let me explain it. Because this guy works so well to the hell for all skin types. So जब आप clients लेते हैं तो आपके पास हर skin type के clients आते हैं, हर skin texture के clients आते हैं, और so a professional needs a setting spray that can slay all skin types. And this is a product that does the job so freaking well, and it will actually melt and set your skin, leaving that natural glow behind. It just will not allow your base to move. I literally spray this on my clients, and never ever in the entire life I've got a complaint from any client that their base moved. No to hell, this will never happen. आज तक कभी मुझे किसी ने नहीं कहा कि base हिलाओ, not in my records at all. And I do believe that this is one of the products that helps me achieve that calm base, and I absolutely love it. I cannot work without it. You can see I've used less than half of the bottle, and I have to get my hands on this again. And this is one of my oldest sprays that I've been using for a very long time, and I love to use it on my clients, on myself, everyone. Love it. Oh my god, you guys, I had to bring my fan right here. So hot. If you're living in Karachi, you must be knowing, and I have to switch off my fan because of the voice that it has. और मेरा AC जिस पोजीशन पे है, I guess वहाँ से मुझे इतनी हवा नहीं आ रही है यहाँ पर. So I'm kind of sweaty, but I really want to make sure that my face doesn't look sweaty in the video. Let's get back to the video. ठीक है जी, so next हमारे पास है anastasia beverly hills का dewy set. This is one of the recent products जो आए हैं मार्केट में, और ये मैंने लिया. Trust me, just look at the packaging. ये सब glitter packaging पे है, अंदर में नहीं है, लेकिन glitter actually shows the type of product it is, because इसके अंदर एक extra किस्म का glow है जो बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है on your skin. It looks stunning, और मैंने विंटर्स में तो इसे बहुत इंजॉय किया है. और अगर मुझे कभी भी ऐसा लगता है कि कोई स्किन ड्राई हो रही है, बहुत एक्स्ट्रा मैट हो रही है और ग्लो चाहिए, तो आई लव टू पुट दिस. और इसके अंदर बहुत सारा हाइड्रेशन है और ग्लो है और मेल्टिंग प्रॉपर्टीज़ हैं जो प्रोडक्ट्स को मेल्ट करके आपस में सेट करते हैं. तो ये मैं इसे एज अ प्रेप तो नहीं यूज़ कर सकती, मैं इसे एज अ प्रेप तो यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. मैं इसे मेकअप के बीच में यूज़ करती हूँ और एंड में सेट करने के लिए यूज़ करती हूँ. एंड यू गाइज नीड टू ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस. इट सेट्स द मेकअप लाइक नो अदर डज. जिस तरह ये ग्लो देता है, जिस तरह ये प्रोडक्ट्स को बिठाता है, जिस तरह ये लॉक करता है, मैं कह रही हूँ गारंटी नो अदर सेटिंग स्प्रे डज इट सो फ्रिकिंग वेल. ये मैं बहुत यूज़ करती हूँ, मैंने रिसेंटली लिया और मैंने इसे काफ़ी यूज़ करा, एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. So good. No setting spray has impressed me this early as this guy had. It has instant magical results. I love it. And that's all. So that's all with all of our setting sprays. These are my top most favorite setting sprays. I hope this was helpful, or I hope you have your shopping list ready already, that which setting spray you want. And if you have any further queries, let me know in the comments down below. I will answer to all your queries. And if you like this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up. Comment down below. As I said, share my video and my channel with your friends and family. Please, इससे मुझे बहुत help होगी. So please do it. I really need your help. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please turn that red button white for me. I'll be so grateful. Don't forget to hit the bell right beside my subscribe button so that you get notified and you don't miss any of my videos. And with that being said, I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will bring another video really soon. So take care. Bye bye. Love you.